Hi beauties, it's Violetta and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my transitional capsule wardrobe. Spring is coming soon, so we need to prep our closet for both warm days and a bit chilly days. In my transitional capsule, I've included items that would go from early spring to warm spring. With just 9 essential pieces, accessories included, you will have endless possibilities for stylish and effortless outfits all season long. Also, this capsule would be great if you're traveling somewhere and want to pack just a carry-on. As with all of these items, you can create lots of different outfits. This video was inspired by 333 method that is very popular right now on TikTok. 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 accessories. Okay, let's see the breakdown of my transitional capsule wardrobe. Let's start with tops. First up, we have a beige crew neck. Not a sweater, not a turtleneck, but a crew neck. A crew neck is a type of sweater that has a round neckline and no collar. This style is the most versatile piece, as it can be worn in so many different ways, and is often worn with other layers, but could also be worn on its own. Versatility is a key to a good capsule wardrobe. Next we have the classic and timeless white t-shirt. I include this item in all of my capsules, as there is no way I can live without this piece. I have multiple styles in my wardrobe of a simple white tee, loose, cropped and fitted. I've tried multiple brands and so many different styles, so I've included all of my favorite white t-shirt on the market in my bio, as it's not that simple to find a good white t-shirt that will last more than 3 washes. My most loved white tee is actually from 2019. So I can assure you it lasts. Totally worth buying. Also, I've added the white shirt, as it's chic, easy to wear and upgrades any look. This piece adds versatility to your wardrobe, allowing you to style it in various ways. There are so many different ways you can style this piece. Make sure to choose a good fit though. It needs to be a little bit oversized to create an effortless look, but also not too oversized, so you don't have too much of excess fabric. Fit and quality is very important for a white shirt. So thus we have 3 tops. Now let's move on to bottoms. First we have mid blue jeans. I prefer wide leg style or straight leg style, but you do you. Choose what fits your body type. Opt for a light or medium wash for spring, and you will have the perfect staple to create both casual and dress-up looks. I love wide leg fit as it looks more relaxed and effortless, but also they are so comfortable. Comfort is very important to me, and I always make sure my clothes are comfy. As I know myself, I won't wear a piece for just looking good. I need to feel comfortable and not restricted. The second pair of bottoms is a pair of black wide leg pants. You can do chino style as well, but I think wide leg pants are more flattering and they look more stylish. I absolutely love this pair from Uniqlo, but also Abercrombie has a really good fit, especially for curvy ladies like myself. Nothing is more versatile than a good pair of black pants in the closet. And the last bottom in this capsule is a midi silk skirt. I've added a champagne color skirt as I already have black bottoms in this capsule. However, you can do beige pants and black skirt, for example, if you prefer it this way. A silk skirt is a great way to spice up your wardrobe for spring, as nothing screams more warm is coming than a silk skirt with sandals or sneakers. That's 3 bottoms, and now let's talk about accessories, the finishing touches that complete any look. I've included a trench coat, as it's still not super warm outside and some kind of a jacket is definitely needed. Trench coat is such an elegant piece and it instantly elevates any outfit. Trench coat is a must-have for every closet. Always in style, elevates every outfit, and it's perfect as a transitional piece in spring. Next is a pair of white sneakers. I only include 1 pair of shoes in this capsule to stay true to 333 challenge. However, feel free to add a pair of sandals or loafers if you want to get even more outfits out of this capsule. And the last item is a shoulder bag in this beautiful taupey color. It's my new buy, and I'll tell you a secret. I got it from Amazon and it was 49 Canadian dollars. It's a steal. I love the style and the color is perfect. I was trying to find like a perfect taupey color that would be the exact color as my coat, and this Amazon find was amazing. It looks good, it holds the shape, and it's just cute. This bag is perfect for my transitional capsule as it works with all of the outfits. Again, if you want to add even more outfits to this capsule, you can add black crossbody bag. And there we have it, the essential 9 pieces for your perfect transitional capsule wardrobe. With these 9 items, you will have endless possibilities to create stylish and effortless outfits for the whole season. Remember, the key is to mix and match, layer, and accessories to express your unique style. I hope this video has inspired you to curate your own capsule wardrobe. Enjoy all of the looks I've created with just 9 pieces, inspired by 333 method.